Unpack the package and verify the quantity of the items. Push the seat all the way back. Place the floor mat in the driver's seat. Press firmly on this spot until it snaps into place under the seat track. The sides of the floor mats feature reinforced hook and loop fasteners. Secure the mat on both sides. Remove the vehicle's removable plastic seal. Align the floor mat with the door threshold. Reinstall the plastic sealing strip. Lay the rear floor mat into place. Press down on the area with the Velcro fastener, ensuring it lies flat and completely. The threshold is equipped with Velcro fastening straps. Pressing down firmly will secure it in place. Align the lower part of the seat back cushion. Press to secure. Install the back cushions in order. Lay out the trunk liner, ensuring they lie flat and cover the carpeted area.
Trunk seal plate installation. Pry open the sealing strip. Tuck the threshold strip under the weather strip. Firmly press down the door seal plate again.